Hi, it's Paul from Heine UK. We've got the VW Transporter T5 2012 model, and today we're going to change a standard wiper blade for Heine Hybrid. I'll show you how to do it. First we need to put the wiper arms in the service position. That's because we would need to leave the wiper arm, and they sit quite low so they catch the bonnet. So what we need to do, we need to turn ignition on, put the lever down and turn ignition off, so wipers will stay up. Now I can put the wiper arm up, twist it, pull it down. Sometimes you might have a little plastic buttons over here. That depends on the wiper manufacturer. Here we just slide it down and we can remove it. Yeah, we've got two 24-inch wiper blades on this model. You might have that's up to 2013, so if you have a 2013 onwards model of T5, you might have different type of wiper arm. That's going to be I've got example of it. It's square button. It looks like that. Basically you can also fit hybrid blades, but you would need to use these small adapters. So make sure when you receive the blades and you've got those adapters if you have Transporter T5 after 2013 or T6 as well. Okay, so we will need to what we need to do is put the plastic hook adapter on. We've got a little cover here. We can put it straight on, but I'll show you a trick. Because the wiper arm in this model is quite wide, I would fit that first like that, and then I will attach the wiper blade. That's twisted and fully on, so yeah, adapter goes over the wiper arm. Now I can take the cover and clip it on the, put it down and clip it on the wiper. Yeah, now I'm gonna do the same on the other side. So we're gonna leave the wiper arm, twist wiper blade, push it down, take wiper off. Don't leave the wiper arm upwards, it might go down and smash your windscreen. So again, we've got the hook adapter in the box, hook cover and wiper blade. Please remove red plastic cover before fitting. And again, we want a spoiler this position, so there's a tip, there's a Heine logo on this side, nothing on this side, so this should be visible from inside of your car. So that's the correct position of fitting. So again, we fit adapter on, leave the wiper arm, put the cover on. Now we can hit the wiper blade, so it goes like that, twist it, push it fully up and down. Now we take cover and we clip it on, and job done. Thank you for watching.